Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching us. Today we'll show you guys how to remove the exterior front door handle on Volkswagen Touareg right here, 2005 to 2010 generation, I believe. Will be very close procedure, so stay with us and we'll show you how to do that now. Some models might differ. Okay, so this is the door handle right here. This one that we'll be removing, there is one cap that we need to remove right there. Okay, just it's a rubber seal, pull it out. Okay, like that. And next we need to use a Torx 25, okay, for right here. Actually 20, Torx 20 there. To get that screw loose, that bolt, but make sure it doesn't drop in the door. Okay, you get it loose. Next you need to open the handle a little bit, and then, okay, you can pull that piece out. Okay, like that. You just get it out of the way now. Next we need to detach the cable. Okay, just pry it from the front towards the back. Okay, we removed it. Okay, like that. Okay guys, so those white things now, okay, let me show you when they move. Okay, right there, you need to get the screwdriver in, hold them all the way towards the outside. You need to push the door handle in and towards the back after that. Okay, like that. It's gonna come out. Okay, you twist it that way, and that's how you guys remove the door handle assembly. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.